Hello, my name is Bonnie, and I am owner and cosmetic formulator at Good Earth Spa, your spot for natural soap and cosmetics. Today, we will discuss impulse sealing. Impulse sealers allow you to make custom-sized plastic shrink wrap for a variety of products. Today, I'll show you how we can easily package items using the impulse sealer. My impulse sealer is 12 inches, allowing me to custom wrap any object that is 12 inches or smaller, including odd-shaped items. Impulse sealers come in smaller and larger sizes too. More pricey models may also come with a cutter or slicer. I find the slicer blade is not necessary. The seams will gently rip off immediately after creating the seal. Be sure to use shrink wrapping plastic. I am using shrink wrap bags. You can also purchase rolls of shrink wrap plastic, and biodegradable shrink wrap is also available for a greener packaging solution. Adjust the setting on your impulse sealer so that your seams are sturdy. If the setting is too low, the plastic will not completely seal. If the setting is too high, the plastic can burn. Test your sealer for your specific type of plastic. Using the impulse sealer, make seals in your plastic all around your object so that it fits. Now we must create a hole to allow air to escape. You can use a pin or needle to puncture the plastic, or you can use a hole punch to create larger holes that will also allow your customers to smell the product. Last step. Use a heat gun to shrink the plastic around your product. Be careful not to pass the heat gun too close to the plastic. Using too much heat can bust the seams or make holes in the plastic. With a little bit of practice, you'll get the hang of it. And now we have a shrink-wrapped product. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. Check the information below this video for more information and resourceful links.